Good morning, classmates. Good morning, ma'am. I am Robinette Canales. Today I will discuss about fish processing. Fish processing. The term fish processing refers to the process associated with fish and fish products between the time fish are caught or harvested and the time the final product is delivered to the customer. So these are the steps of fish processing. The first steps are stunning. Stunning of freshly caught fish or fish delivered live to a processing plant is best done with an electric current. First, the fish are placed in a tank of water and an electric current is then passed through the water to stun or kill the fish. In some plants, water in the fish tanks is saturated with carbon dioxide, which renders the animals unconscious or dead. Next steps will be the grading. The processing sequence starts from grading the fish by species and size. Automated sorters are rarely used in small plants processing freshwater fish because the raw product is usually already sorted on delivery and because of their high class. In some automated grading is 6 to 10 times more efficient than manual grading. The next will be the scaling. Many freshwater species are routinely scaled and this is extremely labor intensive when done manually. Next will be the washing. Washing is intended primarily to clean the fish and to remove accumulated bacteria. The effectiveness of the washing procedure depends inter alia on the kinetic energy of the water stream, ratio of fish volume to water volume, and on the water quality. A proper fish water volume ratio for achieving the desired level of cleanliness is 1:1. However, in the practice, more water is usually used to fold. Next will be the heading. The head constitutes 10 to 20% of the total fish weight, and it is cut off as an inedible part. Although many mechanized deheading machines had been developed for processing marine fish, freshwater fish are usually deheaded manually. Next will be the gutting. The purpose of gutting is to remove those fish body parts most likely to reduce product quality, as well as to remove gonads and sometimes the swim bladder. Evisceration of freshwater fish is labor intensive and usually performed by hand. Gutting consists cutting down the belly, removal of internal organs, and optionally cleaning the body cavity. Next will be the filleting. Filleting is the process of removal of bones from the fish. Next will be the skinning. Manual fillet skinning is labor intensive and difficult. A sharp knife and flat board made of metal or plastic are needed. Last will be the meat bone separation. In recent years, a new trend has emerged to effectively process raw fish products, which resulted in the production of minced meat, separated from inedible parts such as bones, skin, and scales. During filleting, a considerable amount of meat is usually left along the ribs and backbones, 30 to 50%. Meat is separated from the bones, skin, and scales in automated devices called separators. Importance of fish processing. Important in the attainment of self-sufficiency in fish. Prolong the shelf life of fish. Prevents wastage, gives employment and income. Prevents hunger, increases economy of the country, increases the dollar reserve of the country through exportation, and the last, Fish processing lessened the spread of COVID-19 virus. Now I want you to get the 1/2 sheet of paper. Answer the following questions. What are the steps of fish processing and what are the importance of fish processing? And for your assignment, identify the qualities of an ideal entrepreneur. So that's all for today. See you all again next meeting. Class dismissed.